Imagine opening a spreadsheet for the first time. You see hundreds of rows, dozens of columns, strange formulas, and a screen full of information that seems impossible to understand. Where do you even begin? If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. Every day, millions of people use spreadsheets at work, school, and home. Yet many of them started exactly where you are right now, looking at a blank spreadsheet and wondering what everything does. The good news is that spreadsheets are much easier to learn than they appear. Welcome to Introduction to Microsoft Excel. In this course, we're going to take a complete beginner and transform them into a confident spreadsheet user, one step at a time. Whether you're a student organizing assignments, a professional managing reports, an entrepreneur tracking business expenses, or simply someone who wants to improve their computer skills, this course is designed for you. Microsoft Excel is one of the most widely used software applications in the world. Companies use it to analyze data. Accountants use it to manage finances. Teachers use it to track grades. Project managers use it to organize schedules. Sales teams use it to monitor performance. And individuals use it every day to manage budgets, track goals, and make better decisions. The ability to use Excel effectively is one of the most valuable workplace skills you can have. But here's something important to remember. You do not need to be good at math. You do not need a technical background. And you certainly do not need previous Excel experience. Everything in this course will be explained clearly and step by step. We'll start with the basics. You'll learn how spreadsheets evolved over time and why they became such an important tool in modern business and education. Next, we'll explore the Excel interface. You'll learn what the ribbon does, how worksheets are organized, how to navigate cells, rows, and columns, and how to move around your workbook efficiently. Then we'll focus on entering and organizing data. You'll discover how to work with cells, resize columns, adjust rows, and create clean, professional-looking spreadsheets. After that, we'll dive into formatting. You'll learn how to apply fonts, colors, borders, and styles that make your spreadsheets easier to read and more visually appealing. Once you're comfortable with the basics, we'll move into one of Excel's most powerful features, formulas and functions. You'll learn how Excel performs calculations automatically and how simple formulas can save hours of manual work. We'll cover essential functions like sum and average, along with important concepts such as relative and absolute cell references. As the course continues, you'll learn how to protect important data, sort and filter information, create drop-down lists with data validation, and organize large datasets efficiently. Then we'll move into data visualization. You'll discover how to transform rows of numbers into meaningful charts and graphs that help tell a story and reveal trends. Finally, we'll explore printing, exporting, and sharing your work so your spreadsheets are ready for presentations, reports, or professional use. Throughout the course, you'll see real-world examples, practical demonstrations, and useful tips that you can apply immediately. The goal isn't just to teach you where buttons are located. The goal is to help you understand how Excel can make your work faster, easier, and more effective. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build spreadsheets confidently, perform calculations, organize information, and create professional reports that look great and deliver results. So if you're ready to stop feeling intimidated by spreadsheets and start using one of the most powerful productivity tools available today, you're in the right place. Thank you for joining me. Let's begin our journey into Microsoft Excel.
Feel overwhelmed by data? Let's get organized. Welcome to my complete spreadsheet masterclass. Subscribe for more tips and visit my website to learn more.